Morning boys and happy Friday. What a pleasure it is to announce something pretty unique and pretty special which has happened in the school this week. What we've introduced is a cup swap and go system. The idea being, takeaway cup, gone. All that waste,
two,
gone.
Three. Hey guys, I'm Nicole from Huskee, and I'm here with Simon Percy and Ben Papandrea, and I'm at Epping Boys High School, just getting some information about the incredible thing they've been able to achieve here, which is to go single-use free. But it's actually connected to a bigger picture of what's possible through coffee and education to actually promote not only sustainability, but also community and connection and mental health amongst the younger generation. So, Simon, would you be able to just explain how the cafe started and how it's been part of that bigger picture within the school?
Absolutely. Now with boys, reaching out to them, how are you feeling today? Or, I can see you're a bit upset, can you talk about it? Doesn't tend to work so well. So the idea behind it was, all right, let's start a coffee program. Let's get the boys involved in this with us. What they found very quickly when the program started was it worked. These boys that would be either getting in trouble or not coming to school suddenly had a place that they felt at home, a place they felt they owned.
From being a student yourself, how would you say the boys talk about the cafe experience?
Yeah, so there's actually quite a few of us that come in every morning, even though we're rostered only a couple shifts a week. We love this experience. We get quite a few privileges for being in the cafe. We get our own roll call, we get to sit at the back of the assembly. But yeah, it's a lot of fun and we really enjoy it when we're in here.
Who is Huskee? How did we start? We're an Aussie company. We source husk, which is the shell of the coffee bean. We bind it with a polymer and we repurpose it into these beautiful cups. Then we realized that what was needed to actually solve the problem of disposables was a scalable system, and that's HuskeeSwap.
The teachers that come in, hand over their old Huskee cup, goes into here, place it on the tray, and then into our $3,500 new dishwasher. Eric, our Year 11 manager, he will take the orders. The barista here will make the final shot and then pass it on. And the person on the milk station will make some milk, also some awesome latte art, and place it at the top for some teachers. I think the swap system's an amazing idea. It's better for the environment. It's a more efficient way to do it. It just makes the cafe run smoother and more efficiently.
Now, this program's been adopted in cafes around Sydney and around the world. From what I understand, we are the first school to adopt this sort of program. But it is not me that has brought this into the school, it's a student. Ben Papandrea in Year 10 has come up with this.
When Ben approached me, I honestly thought that he must have been one of the teachers.
How did you hear about Huskee?
So one day went to an excursion down the road to Pablo and Rusty's, the coffee roasters. They had a few of these cups out. People were so nice there and they talked us through it, the amount of cups that go to landfill each year, and then I jumped on it straight away.
Was there any point in that process where you felt like this thing was impossible?
There was a stage where Simon was a bit iffy about it.
I honestly thought it could be alive in 5 years.
Proposal was only 4 weeks ago.
Oh wow.
So it's about gathering information, the costs, and then pitching it to PNC.
That's our parent body, the parents and community.
In total, they donated $7,000 to us. $3,500 went to the commercial dishwasher, and then we spent around $2,000 on this.
Was that just a personal drive that made that happen, or was this part of any school curriculum for you?
No, not really any school curriculum. I'm always that type of guy who always wants to go that little bit further and make that extra little bit of improvement. So I thought this was the perfect fit for the cafe. Teachers are loving it, especially the science faculty. So obviously with all them eco-friendly down there.
And the boys behind the bar?
They're loving it. Second we introduced them that recess, they were one of the few to buy it first straight up.
And Ben, what would you say to students who would be interested in this but feel like it might be too big or too scary?
I urge everyone and anyone to take on this project, make the environment better, be more eco-friendly and really get this Huskee Cup going.